Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video, we are gonna talk about why Nun Sakina and Tanween take the same rules, and we will take some examples for that. If you wanna know, let's start. Number one, why Nun Sakina and Tanween take the same rules? I think we have the easiest answer for this question. Okay, if I give you any word, for example, the word Muhammad, okay, this empty word at the end wouldn't have any punctuations at the end of this word. Okay, what if I add Tanween with Fatha with this word? I'll pronounce it like what? Muhammadan. Okay, what if I add Tanween with Dhamma? I'll pronounce it Muhammadun. Okay, what if I add Tanween with Kasra? I'll pronounce it Muhammadin. Okay, what you have noticed here? I think you have noticed here, I think each word we have ends with n sound. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Muhammadan, Muhammadun, and Muhammadin. Okay, what if we move to Nun Sakina? You will notice that Nun Sakina also have n sound. Yeah, that's right. So they have the same pronunciation, so they are sharing the same rules. The correct pronunciation of Nun Sakina and Tanween depends on the letter that comes after. Yeah, that's right. The letter that comes after. Yeah, according to Nun Sakina and Tanween, we have 4 rules. Okay, these rules are إظهار حلقي, through clarity. Yes, it means when I see Nun Sakina or Tanween followed by any letter of Idhar or through clarity, I'll pronounce it clearly without any changing. Okay, for example, Man Aman, Man Amana. So I have pronounced Nun Sakina here clearly without any changing. The rule number 2 is merging. It means when I say Nun Sakina or Tanween followed by any letter of merging, I'll merge this Nun Sakina or Tanween with the following letter. For example, فَمَن يَعْمَلْ, فَمَن يَعْمَلْ. Yeah. Rule number 3 is real hiding. It means when I say Nun Sakina and Tanween followed by any letter of hiding, I'll hide this Nun Sakina and Tanween. For example, وَمِن شَرٍ, وَمِن شَرٍ, وَمِن. Yeah, if you have noticed here that I have hidden Nun Sakina in this example. Okay, number 4 is al-iqlab, or turning. It means when I say Nun Sakina or Tanween followed by ba, I'll change, or I can say I'll turn this Nun Sakina or Tanween to mim. Yeah, for example, min ba'd, min ba'd. I think you have noticed that I changed Nun Sakina to mim. Min ba'd. Okay, alhamdulillah, in this video we recovered why Nun Sakina and Tanween take the same rules, and we have talked some examples for that. Okay, that's all, and catch you inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.